because a person may be undocumented in this country. Federal law under the Violence Against Women's Act, or as we call VAWA, protects these individuals and allows them to report domestic violence against their attacker without fear of being deported.
Attorney General Denise George shared information about the Violence Against Women's Act at a recent meeting of the Family Resource Center. She was the keynote speaker at the Board of Directors' annual meeting.
Victims of domestic violence who are the child, parent, or current former spouse of a United States citizen and are abused by that citizen may be eligible to apply for a green card themselves without the need for the abuser to file for immigration benefits.
With the theme, Shatter the Silence, Expose Domestic Violence, the AG and board members gave updates.
We added another service, which was distribution of relief supplies and participation with STIR and other agencies to help coordinate the distribution and handing out on both St. Thomas, St. John, actually, and Water Island of different supplies. And we literally just finished that whole process today. So, thank you to everybody. We had to get our shelter staff, our volunteers, the retired police, all kinds of people helped us to make that happen. And so now we're getting back to some of our regular events.
It was also an opportunity to give kudos to those who worked tirelessly behind the scenes.
If we want to save the world, we want to change the world, we need to start with the children. And it is through the support, our board members, our donors, our dedicated staff, that we are able to change the lives of our children in this community.
Board members gave recognition to the agencies that have partnered with the Family Resource Center over the years.
In the past 12 months, we have gotten 48 referrals of minor children who are victims of domestic violence, child abuse, sexual assault, and human trafficking. We have, in the last 9 months, gone to almost every single school and Head Start program in the two islands.
Attorney General George also shared updates on what the Department of Justice is doing.
From the beginning of 2018 until the present, the Department of Justice has opened 324 cases of domestic violence. This is an issue that we take very, very seriously. It has been a priority of mine since assuming office to ensure that successful prosecutions of individuals responsible for this type of behavior continue, and the numbers that I spoke of hopefully to decline. To accomplish this, my staff and I are working on obtaining federal grants to secure additional victim advocates who will be assigned to the St. Croix district. Also, I have been actively searching for well-qualified attorneys who specialize in these types of unique criminal cases. Until we secure more staffing, the Department's Victim Services Unit will continue to provide services in all areas to domestic violence victims. For example, staff in this unit keep victims informed about the legal process and are told what to expect at every junction of the prosecution process. The Department also seeks federal grants aimed at reducing domestic violence and sexual assault. This is done through the Office on Violence Against Women, who currently administers 19 grant programs that have been authorized by the Violence Against Women Act of 1994. One particular grant that the department has received is a Stop Formula Grant Program, STOP. This program is designed to enhance the capacity of local communities to develop and strengthen effective law enforcement and prosecution strategies, to combat violent crimes against women, and to develop and strengthen victim services in cases involving violent crimes against women.
Testimony and success stories were shared, indicating the importance of continued collaboration.
A victim who may appear uncooperative may just be fearful for their abuser or of their abuser. Recognizing the dynamics of domestic violence relationships, our department ensures that these victims are accompanied by victim advocates, whether it be to a court hearing or to any other legal proceeding, but especially during the trial phase in which they may have to testify, which oftentimes is the hardest part. Once a conviction has been achieved, the Victims can also expect to be accompanied by the department staff at sentencing. They are guided through the victim impact statement, which can be presented orally or in writing.
We had a client that came in as a minor with a child who was in a relationship with an adult Hispanic, and that was a domestic violence situation. They eventually got married. The abuse continued. She became a sexual assault victim at the hands of her husband. That case did go to trial, and he took a plea. I have to say that the attorneys have been awesome with respect to this case. Ms. KB and Ms. Brackway have been amazing, awesome. So everything that the AG office the AG has indicated is true and correct. Our victims, do go through that process, get a lot of help and assistance. The victim advocates from the Department of Justice are amazing and awesome.
I am convinced that the department, together with members throughout the community, as well as organizations such as the Family Resource Center, can, in the end, shatter the silence and stop